So this is a close-up of the bird. Alright. This is a demo of the Sony HDR-XR160 camcorder. It's a 160 gigabyte hard disk camcorder, and it has a very good steady shot, as you can see here. Well, this is actually on tripod, and I'm zooming in at around 45 times. It's actually it's digital zoom now. Okay, let's push it back, zoom it out farther a bit. Okay, that's a very nice zooming switch. It's a lever switch actually. Yeah, okay, there you go. You know, birds are my favorite subject, and I love birding. I love bird watching. I'm doing this every morning whenever I'm home, here in our home rooftop. Alright, so there you go. So to show you how far I have zoomed, I'm gonna zoom it now slowly. Okay, so this is the normal 30 times zoom. Zooming out, zooming out, zooming out. Right. Okay. This is the normal 28 millimeter wide. Full zoom out. Alright, there you go. 30 times. Around 40 times. 3 birds in a row. Okay. Digital zoom.